Welcome to CARITEL Blockchain Talk, which is produced here in Barbados by the small team CARITEL Crypto. We are focused entirely on education for the youth and students, but we do provide education and training as well for adults in the areas of blockchain and cryptocurrency. These are the new technologies that are going to shake our lives today and tomorrow because they provide new opportunities that were probably not even available via the internet. And they are the ones that we need to look at and educate ourselves about and to be more informed about if we want to have healthier financial lives. Today I want to talk a little bit about money. It's a subject we're never taught in schools, at primary school, secondary school, even at universities. Yes, we talk a little bit about accounts and economics, and we can learn a lot from those two, but we're not taught at all about money. What really is money? What is debt? How do we create wealth? How do we avoid address the issue of inflation? How do we become better entrepreneurs? How do we build happy lives for our friends and family, create products and services? And blockchain and cryptocurrency do provide us with opportunities to address and understand this issue of money. Because yes, banks have been very valuable to us over the years. They've helped us to buy our cars, they've helped us to pay down and pay off our mortgages and own our homes, and they've also helped us to educate ourselves. But they've also left us to some degree with debt, and that debt is entirely due to our own lack of education and discipline, and looking after our own income areas in terms of finding ways to develop new businesses, finding ways to invest wiser, finding ways to basically make more money and stay ahead of the inflation game, because inflation prices are always going up and they will always be with us. So we have to create income, because consumerism alone will not save us. Consumerism actually helps us to create more debt. And so money is very, very important, and we have to educate our students and ourselves about how do we create debt. Well, the blockchain technology is providing many new solutions for businesses, for governments, for individuals, opportunities for them to educate themselves in a myriad of ways in software, and providing a wide range of services that are going to be needed by governments and by private companies and by individuals. And therefore, this in itself, the blockchain, provides an opportunity for us to educate and create wealth and to earn money. Cryptocurrency, which is led by Bitcoin, and Bitcoin as of August 9th, 2019, held about 70% dominance of the whole market cap for cryptocurrencies globally. Bitcoin is another area where we can create wealth, where we can address the issue of money, and where we can look at making ourselves a bit financially stable in the years to come. With Bitcoin, we have an option, if we think it's necessary, if we really study what we're doing, and this is not financial advice, to invest in what we call dollar cost averaging. We have a series on that already. Essentially to invest gradually, periodically, but with discipline, and ensure that we do have a decent amount of Bitcoin when the price gets to a stage where we cannot afford to buy Bitcoin at all. And by investing in Bitcoin, there is a very, very good opportunity, we think, that in the years to come, the value will be exponentially higher, and that investment will reap us very, very rich rewards. But then there's also trading, and again, a lot of the education that we need to grow our businesses, to become entrepreneurs, to create new services, is available free. It's available through collaboration, is available online, and yes, we recognize that university education is always good, but there's a lot that you can learn and educate yourself through seminars, through attending some of our free workshops, through investing in your own consistent education using products like YouTube and the internet to really learn and understand what you're doing. And with this investment, this steady investment and commitment and passion for being a better educated individual, you will eventually develop the experience to provide services and knowledge to other individuals, services and knowledge which you can use yourselves to grow your income and to make more and more money and stay ahead of the debt game. Yeah, understanding appreciation, understanding depreciation, devaluations, and it's very critical, we think, at this time when the world economy is again looking as though it's in a lot of trouble, somewhat similar or perhaps even worse to 2008 and 2009 when we had this lengthy global recession. So in this series we've looked at money. We want to encourage you to educate yourself a lot. We want to encourage you to focus on the blockchain and the cryptocurrency, and in particular Bitcoin, and the many opportunities that you can use these technologies to create knowledge, to create services, to create consultancy, and to grow your own income and wealth in times to come. I'm hallamhope. Thank you for listening to this edition of CARITEL Blockchain Talk. We are a small group at CARITEL Crypto. We welcome your support, your financial support, your partnerships, whatever contribution you can make to help us educate young people today and tomorrow about money and about wealth, creating wealth, about entrepreneurship, and about the things they need to do to ensure that they have happier lives down the road.